Tutorial 12, Connecting Google Scholar to your library. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to authenticate Google Scholar to your university library, a simple step that unlocks academic articles for your research. Part 1, Why link Google Scholar to your library? By default, Google Scholar displays articles, but many are locked behind paywalls. When you authenticate your university's library, you'll instantly see which articles you can access for free through your school's scholarly publication subscriptions. It's a powerful way to save time and avoid hitting dead ends during research. Part 2, How to link Google Scholar to Emory libraries. Here's how you do it. Go to Google Scholar, click the 3-line menu in the upper left-hand corner, select Settings, choose Library Links, type Emory University into the search bar, check the box next to Find It at Emory, and hit Save. Now when you search, you'll see a Find It at Emory link next to the resources your library provides access to. Just a heads up, at times Google Scholar will have you re-authenticate your credentials to access these scholarly publications. So if you find yourself in Google Scholar and do not see the Find It at Emory link, then repeat the authentication steps to gain access. Part 3, Tips for best results. Linking doesn't unlock everything your library owns, but it does open a lot of doors. So remember, if you don't see the full text through Scholar, check your library's databases directly. Scholar is a great springboard, but it's not a full replacement for database research. Next, we'll go even further, learning how to use Google Scholar's advanced features to find articles by author, journal, and publication year.